Chapter 7. The World of Birds. We see many kinds of birds around us. Birds are unique in one way that all birds have feathers. All birds are in a hurry. They breathe faster than any other animals. Their heart beats faster and their body temperature is higher. Feathers. The body of a bird is covered with many feathers. These feathers are three kinds: flight feathers, down feathers, and body feathers. Flight feathers are usually found on the wings and the tail. They help in flying. Down feathers are fluffy and soft. They keep the bird's body warm. Down feathers are found in newborn birds. Body feathers cover the bird's body. They give shape to the bird's body. Down feather, body feather, flight feather. Kind of feathers. What makes a bird fly? Have you ever wondered why birds can fly while we cannot? Birds have some special features that help them fly. Let us learn about them. Birds have two wings. They have strong muscles to move the wings. These muscles are attached to the breastbone. These are called flight muscles. The body of a bird is shaped like an aeroplane. It is broad in the middle and narrow at the two ends. Such a body is called streamlined body. A streamlined body helps the bird to cut through the air. Birds have strong but hollow bones. Hollow bones make the bird's body very light. A light body is helpful in flying. Since flying needs much energy and strength, a bird has a very efficient heart that supplies continuous blood to all parts of the body. How does a bird fly? A bird flies with the help of its wings. When it starts to fly, it flaps the wings up and down gradually and goes high up in the air. In the air, it stops flapping the wings and spread out them. In this position, it goes on gliding in the air. The bird makes two kinds of movements with its wings during flying. These movements are called upstroke and downstroke. Upstroke lifts the bird's body in the air. Downstroke helps the birds to come down. Flying habits of birds. Birds have different flying habits. Hens, cocks, and ducks fly for short distance. Hens, ducks. Pigeon, swallow. Pigeons and swallows fly over long distances. Crow, sparrow. Crows and sparrows fly at low heights. Eagle, hawk. Eagles and hawks fly at great heights. Most birds fly, but there are some birds that do not fly at all. They are called flightless birds. Ostrich, kiwi, emu, penguin. Migratory birds. Some birds fly very long distances. They fly from one country to another country due to changes of weather conditions and in search of food. For example, Arctic tern and Siberian crane. Arctic tern, Siberian crane. Nesting habits. Birds build nests to lay eggs. They choose places which are safe from enemies and bad weather. Birds use material like twigs, dry leaves, cotton, thread, wool, feather, hair, piece of cloth, paper and pebbles to build their nests. The eggs are laid in the nest. After some time, the eggs hatch and baby birds come out. When the baby birds are big enough, they fly away. Most parent birds also leave the nest. They build new nests when they have to lay eggs again. The tailor bird. The tailor bird uses its beak like a needle to sew leaves with material like thread and wool. This is why it is called the tailor bird. The nest is made cozy with cotton, wool, hair and dry grass. The weaver bird. The weaver bird makes a beautiful and strong nest with twigs and grass. It weaves the grass in and out rapidly. The nest hangs from the branch of a tree. The bird enters its home through a tunnel-like opening at the bottom of the nest. The eagle. Birds like the eagle and the vulture make nests by gathering a few sticks and simply putting them together in the shape of shallow cup. The woodpecker. The woodpecker pecks a tree trunk with its beak to make a hole. To make its nest cozy, it lined the hole with chips of wood. The penguin. The penguin collects a few pebbles and stones to make a nest on the ground. Some eagles and their nests. A woodpecker and its nest. Some penguins and their nests. Parental care in birds. When the nest is ready, the female bird lays eggs in it. Both the male and female birds sit on the eggs one by one to keep them warm. When the baby birds grow fully inside the eggs, they break the eggshell and come out. The coming out of the young birds from the egg is called hatching. The baby birds are very weak. They have no feather. Their eyes are closed. They need the care of their parents. The parents bring food for the baby birds and feed them with their beaks. The baby birds grow very fast. They develop feathers in a few days. Then their parents teach them how to fly and how to find food. The young ones of hens and ducks have feathers when they come out of the eggs. They start running the moment they are born. The female lays eggs. Baby birds come out of the egg. The mother with her